Hi, so I'm going to test this scenario. It's been out there for a while, so I thought I will give it a test. So we will start with a work item created on the Azure side. And we'll start with the description. Let's deal with gibberish, and let's put an inline image somewhere here. So okay, so we'll put the image here and we'll make this a little bit formatted somehow. Okay, bullet points would have to do, and this could become a heading perhaps, or something else. Okay, just bold. Alright, so I have my work item created with some rich text and an inline image in the description field. Right, so let's ping this over now to the Jira side. Okay, so we got our Jira ticket. Let's open it. I'm just going to move it here. Right, so my description came over with the rich text. I can see the bold, I can see the bullets, and I can see the inline attachment. Now let's say we add a comment. So comment from Jira. So I'm not going to do the rich text because you get the idea. So I'll just do the inline image, but it should fully be supported as well. Right, so this time we add a comment with an inline attachment on the Jira side. And yes, I expect this to show over on the Azure side. We'll give it a few seconds. Okay, so we got our comment from Jira side with the image attached. Now let's reply. What should we attach? We'll attach this. And the good thing about this bi-directional thing is that even if you now update the description or anything, that should not affect the description, because every sync, remember, is bringing over the payload, right? So it should not affect it. It should remain intact. So this would be the last piece. We'll wait for it to come over. And we just got our image and the inline attachment and the comment. Right, so how to do this? I set up like a totally vanilla connection, brand new. So all I did was I commented this line out. Basically, the default script is stripping the HTML, right? So you want to make sure that you don't strip the HTML from the description and from the comments. That's the only change I made out here. Now in the incoming side, it's totally vanilla. It's exactly the scripts that come out of the box. I'll put them on the community post as well, but there's no change whatsoever. Now on the Jira side, slight changes. So the default line for description and comments I've commented out, as you can see, and I've added the node helper get HTML function so that converts the markdown to HTML. And similarly on the incoming side, I commented out the default lines dealing with comments and descriptions, and again this time to markdown from HTML, obviously the reverse way around. And this should fully handle your rich text within description and comments and inline attachments. Thank you.